These people here playing domino, French domino. It's her keeping score. That's mommy's keeping score. Losers start shuffles. Yep.
Mama, no switching. Nyhelah 63, Joy 73, Jada 61, Nabi 56.
Elvis just in the back minding his own business, just chilling.
It's me again, Josh.
Jada, be so fucking double, come on with the double. Come on with the double. I try happy. You're out here pissing me off. Go, Grandma. You just go? Yeah, oh, go. You take out the prayer. No, it's stressing me out.
Oh no.
What's even here?
5, 3. Nothing there. Everything else. 5, 3. 5 there, 5 there. And yeah, double juice and double 3.
Oh, sorry. 5. It's 5? Yeah.
5, 3. But if you have double that, you can double that.
I'm so confused.
Right. I thought you double that.
Grandma. Oh, that's out. Never mind. I'm not mad at you. What else is here? Only yes, I have to because that's done already. 5 blocked out? No. No, do it out. Test out. So you pass? No, I do not. Calm down. Good job.
I'm forced.
Okay, what the hell?
5 and 4, that's 9. 9 for me.
That's the game. One game.
I brought people like you know them. They outside, you see. I walk in, we walk in. It's been a while since I did any type of walk-in. Oh, I should have brought my mic and thingy. Dang it. It's been a while since I did any type of walk-in, crossing over the highway. But yeah, I have a day off. Instead of resting, I decided to go for a walk. So here I am out here walking. With mommy, Nyhelah. Just walking in the streets. Nyhelah doing her she's doing her DIY.
We are back. I'm mostly back to so. Harry, that area then you know they to the front because
Oh, you know, Missy pass 1 man and 2 man and 1 woman.
There she goes. She did it. She painted it. This part she needs some rub and buff to rub over so she could brighten that. But yeah, now she's about to go get the dresser. I mean the desk, the actual desk to paint it. You also need to get one of the things and wipe out the drawers.
Like everything in that corner is like the mirror is white, then I have my flower thing that's white, and then the things on top of the desk is white, and then my mirror is white, and my glow, that one that lights up as well. I need to get a new one. Maybe next year I should work at IKEA.
7,000 million pieces to put together.
No, that's something I'm actually like IKEA furniture. There's one screw that
Yeah, there's one screw that was given a trouble. I literally just popped the drawer out and then pushed the screw out on its own. It wasn't staying in. She and her handiwork. Today is just a chill day. Actually, today I walked. We went for a walk. I walked to Dollar Tree and back, and then stopped by thinking to get something to cook, and then came home and went to sleep, which I could still do right now, honestly.
Ah? Okay. So he's just sand the liquid sandpaper for the desk.
But I get the scrubbing. Let me catch you scrubbing, sanding. Now she's doing the desk. She did her drawers. Now she's doing her desk. The side don't need it, right? The side doesn't have the sheen on it.
No. It's just it up.
I would still say to go over it. Make it all like smooth.
Where you going? Keep hitting, sis. You gotta turn this piece of paper the other way so you could cut underneath that foot.
Wait, no. Because that foot's at gold.
Oh, you're not painting that foot?
Come in there, 5 and 4, you're paid.
You should tape off down there then. You should tape off it so when you take off the tape, you have that neat the matuya. But that one is fine. I'm like, you could always go over it with a rough. I'm going to order some from Amazon. Some rubber.
Oi!
My turn. I'm stepping in the game. I know me come and you gone.
Oh, my, did it end? You find them. All right.
You can't dry it. 10 to dry. Yo.
Hey,
Listen,
no bother with it. No bother with it.
eh.
No bother with it.
No.
Dead on the day. Dead on the day.
But exactly, are your draw. Jet in the day, are your draw. 10. Oh. Hey.
No.
Jet in the day, are your draw. How many find it to get the tripod? Now go.